Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 5 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be doing the O2 anti-pollution mask. This is a sheet mask that I'm assuming bubbles up. It's a deep detox and rebalance mask, and I don't know the brand. I don't know if it's pronounced soo'ae or soo'ae. I'm not sure. But this is the mask that we're going to be using today, so I do have my scissors again. Maybe I should read the instructions first. Okay, soo'ae's innovative detox mask helps to flush out those harmful impurities, irritants, and pollutants that make their way into the skin. With dense O2 infused microbubbles, it helps to clear and clarify complexion. Then it's another language. It says 15 to 20 minutes. Clean your skin thoroughly, then apply toner and or serum. You know, it's been a while. I took a shower when I got home from the gym, so it's been about 5 hours. So you know what? I'll go grab my toner before we start. And then it says align the holes of the mask properly with your eyes, nose, and mouth. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and watch the bubbles foam. Remove the mask and gently massage your face with remaining bubbles. Rinse off with lukewarm water followed by your daily moisturizer. So before I cut this open, I'm going to go grab my toner, what are those things? Cotton Round, and my moisturizer. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have my Thayer's Witch Hazel toner in here, so we're going to use that. Okay, let's cut this thing. Oh, that's not cool. There's like soap bubbles in the eye holes and mouth hole. No, thank you. Alright, so I'm going to let it do its thing for, what was it, 10 to 15 minutes? 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to stay here on camera so you can watch it bubble. I got my computer here, so I'm just going to do some work while we wait. Okay, I got it going for 20 minutes
there. Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know where I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer.
Oh my god. I literally feel like this thing is starting to slide off my face too. I don't want to talk because I don't want to make it move. It's getting very close to my eyes. I have to take a picture. Okay, it's starting to fall down a little bit too close to my eyes for comfort, so we're going to see if we can pull it up. I don't know, we'll see what happens here.
Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know where I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing.
Okay, I just went up my nose. I cannot believe how foamy this has gotten. We have 5 minutes left. I mean, I need to like... There. You know what? It's because it's... Look how much it slipped down. It's like the flap. Turn my nose in. So, let me see if I can do another little... I mean, I'm trying not to move my face, but I guess I still kind of am. I'm trying to keep the bubbles out of my eyes. It really concerns me.
He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the ground.
Okay, so it's been the 20 minutes. I'm sorry, but this mask is insane. I've had bubble masks before, and I've never had anything quite like this. It just keeps, it's so heavy, it just keeps sliding down my face. Remove the mask and gently massage your face with the remaining bubbles. Okay, it's coming off now. I just want to see how thick this actually is. That's really thick. In case you didn't catch that, I said that's pretty thick. I really don't even know where to begin. Get it on my eyes first. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Okay. This is the massage it in. I don't know why, because we have to wash it up anyway. Let's do what this says. Rinse off with lukewarm water. So we're gonna go rinse this off. Okay, so we are back. We have got my face nice and washed off, and it's clean. It feels clean. It looks clean. Looks like, you know, clean, shiny, squeaky clean, kind of clean, you know, like that kind of clean. As far as getting out impurities and all that, it's supposed to be an anti-pollution mask. I don't know if it did that or not. I have no idea if it did that or not. I'd probably need some type of special equipment to tell you if it did that or not. But it sure was a lot of fun. So it's basically like a fancy face wash almost, because that's kind of what it is. It's soap basically, so you wash your face with it when you're done. But yeah, I like that. I thought that was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. $2.50 worth of 20 minutes of fun. It's pretty good. And I would recommend it. So that is all for this video. If you are going to go pick this up, or if you tried it already, please comment down below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody.